fishing is animal abuse. Would you agree?
Fishing. I mean, it depends on if you let them go or not. But I don't know.
Well,
I mean, you're hurting the fish, but doesn't it just heal back? Does it hurt them in like a physical way?
yeah, you're putting a hook in their mouth and you're dragging them out of the water.
This is my boyfriend.
Oh, you're
Sorry.
cool. Yeah, that's cool. I'll talk to him. Regardless if you can put them back or not, it's still going to hurt the fish, even if it heals, you know? It's like saying, you know, if you punch a dog in the face, well, it's going to heal, so is that abuse?
Yeah, I get that.
Yeah.
I can see why you'd say that about fish.
Yeah, I just think a lot of people fish for fun. I think it's kind of a messed up thing, you know? There's a lot of things we can do for fun, but, you know, putting a hook in an animal's mouth and, you know, reeling it in, it seems kind of messed up.
Yeah.
Honestly,
Yeah.
that really made me like think deep.
Yeah, it's something to think about, you know?
Yeah.
Oh, it's a dolphin. Let me ask you this, though.
What?
Is it justifiable for us to catch fish to eat if we have the option to eat plant-based foods instead, like fruits and vegetables? Is it justifiable to catch these fish just because we like how they taste?
Honestly, I don't know. I couldn't really answer that. Recently, I haven't been really eating a lot of meat, so that kind of makes me think about it a lot.
I mean, with fish in their lips, there's no pain receptors. There's no nerves in their lips.
That's actually a misconception. They have this process called nociception. They have about 20 sensors that actually can feel pain. Nociception is the process where animals feel pain. It translates noxious stimuli, anything that can damage tissue, into pain in the brain, and fish have that. Yeah, so whenever we put a hook in their mouth and ring them up, you know, they're feeling it, and yeah. Would you at least say that? Do you think do you think that hurts them at all when you put a hook in your, you know,
Yeah, knowing what I know now that they actually do have pain receptors in their mouth, then yeah, probably it does hurt them a little.
Would you agree or disagree with that?
I mean, personally, I like fishing. It's pretty cool. I want to hear your point on it, though, and why you believe it's animal abuse.
Sure. I think it's pretty evident whenever we get a hook put in their mouth, take them out of the water. It hurts their lips. They suffocate when we take them out. I just think it just hurts the animal. Any way we fish, it's going to hurt them. And I would say it's animal abuse.
Like, what if you just, like, as soon as you take it out, you just... It sounds kind of inhumane, but it kills it pretty quick. You just take it and you slam its head on the... You just slam...
I don't think I have to tell you. I don't have to tell you, but I think you already know. Does that sound like that's abuse?
I mean, it kills it, though, like, right away. On impact, it would die.
But here's the main question, though. Do we have to be doing that?
I mean, that's how you get fish.
Do we have to eat fish?
I mean, no, but some people like it.
My question to that is, does taste pleasure justify killing an animal just because we like how they taste?
I mean, so is it inhumane to, like, to kill a deer? Or to kill a cow?
I would say the same thing. If we have plant sources, fruits, vegetables, mock meats, what have you, I don't think it's justifiable to kill these animals just because we like how they taste. If we have alternatives,
But they were made just for food.
they were what? I'm sorry, you cut out.
Their sole purpose was for food, though.
That's the thing. I don't think there is like a sole purpose. We can kind of make our own destinies. Like we can say, you know what, we have other sources of food. We don't have to do this to these animals. We can acknowledge that these animals should have some sort of basic right not to be exploited and killed if they don't have to be.
Mm-hmm.
Does that sound reasonable at all? Or
Yeah, it's pretty reasonable.